Hey people, so today being a Sunday and this video is see, yesterday I put a lot of henna on my hair and so today it's all fluffed up and all over the place, and there's the cooler also there with my child. He's a little celebrity. You want to say something, Chiku? My sweetheart. So
I want to say something.
Yes.
Mummy cooking very well.
Ah, really? So cute, so cute. No, so truly, so that was my child, and I just have to say that this realization has come to me only now, and that of course, going to a parlor and getting the hair done would also be a good thing, but everything in life, be it anything, any choice, always has its pros and cons. Like they say, right? Marriage is hard, divorce is hard. Doing a job is hard, not doing a job is hard, so it's like choose your hard, what exactly you would want in life. So I don't know, this thought is kind of, I don't know, it just came to me just now that, oh my god, I should have gone to a parlor and got it done. But then going to a parlor would involve expense and sitting there and endless gossip and even then it may not have been all that great job. So really, it's very enlightening. So this has crossed a 1-minute video, but I just felt I had to share this. And see, I put all nail polish, I'm all dressed and ready. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.